Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eren. I am an anesthesiologist at the Hair Center of Turkey. Hypertension, also known as high blood pressure or arterial hypertension, is a systemic heart condition. Patients with high blood pressure often research whether they can undergo hair transplantation. We accept these patients for hair transplantation by minimizing pain through expert doctor supervision and close monitoring techniques. However, we can safely accept you for the procedure if you inform us about your additional diseases, medications you are using, and past illnesses during your pre-procedure consultation. We especially request that you follow our instructions before, on the day of, and after the procedure, and mostly continue with your high blood pressure medications. One of the most common problems encountered in these patients during the procedure is high blood pressure. However, thanks to close monitoring and sedation, we are able to keep patients' high blood pressure within a stable range and safely perform hair transplantation procedures. If you have any questions about hypertension or high blood pressure, please mention them in the comments and we will answer all of them. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.